Welcome to the installation of Isaac ROS on Jetson Nano. The ROS 2 distribution is ROS Humble, which only works on Ubuntu 22.04. At first we have to ensure to set the locals right. Now you have to install the dependencies. You now have to select sources from China or US. Before installing, execute update. As I mentioned before, JetPack 621 includes Ubuntu 22.04, which is designed to work with ROS 2 Humble. You can decide to install only the ROS 2 base or ROS 2 full. After that, ensure to install the DevTools. If you don't want to source the setup file every time you start the terminal, you have to add this to the bash. Now if you open terminal, you should see that ROS 2 is working. Now you can start examples like TurtleSim, which is a common ROS 2 node, to test applications. So that's all for now.